Can't find a movement holder for your pocket watch or extra large wristwatch? The search for an oversized movement holder ends here. This massive French-made holder is both smooth and sturdy. Its handle features a knurled grip so you can quickly and comfortably adjust to a wide range of movement sizes. With its steel construction and brushed chrome finish, this not only feels good in your hands, but it holds just about any watch movement securely. When working with a wide range of movement sizes, reliability and versatility are key. This reversible movement holder can easily accommodate any movement you throw at it. If you work frequently with watch movements, especially large ones, this holder is a must-have. Buy yours today at esslinger.com.